Welcome to the second episode of The Goddess Spiel. We are back. Thank you for those who tuned in to the first episode, and welcome to for everyone that's new. Please subscribe and hit that bell, and let's jump right into it. In this episode, I would like to talk about systems and resetting your life. Oof. So I would like to have a disclaimer. I am a beginner, so I am beginning this journey with you guys. So in this cycle, this is my first day going through this cycle and creating, and then I'm going to incorporate this into my life later on. So let's jump in. First of all, what is a system? And why do you need a system? I'm sorry. I am baking right now. It's a nice sunny this summer heat. Okay, so what are systems? Systems, so this is my definition of system. So we see systems everywhere, and that's how things flow. And that's how things flow when it comes together and everything like that. So when I say creating a system for yourself, I mean something that sets your day up so you can be productive or whatever your goal is for the day. So you can set it up and be the best that you can. Whatever flows in that direction to make you feel like you're the best possible being that you can for the task of the day. But for everyone that looks different. So literally you could want to work out, want to relax during the day, read a book at the beginning of your day. And then it's the way the day is set up, the way you chart out your day to get your certain tasks finished. And for everyone, everybody's different. Everybody has their own ways of doing things and how they want to wake up in the morning to how they go to bed, your night routine and everything. So it's just making a routine for yourself so you can do the best that you can for the full on week, for your day, for everything. But for me, like I feel like I need a setup system so I can really see what's in front of me, so I can plan the day, sorry, I'm telling you it is hot. Sorry. So back to what I was saying. So I'm so sorry. So to really set up, so I just need something to really set up my day, get my day pushing, keep my day forward, and remind me of the different tasks of the day and what I need to do. So in this video, I will be showing you the system that I set up for myself and the different tools that I'm going to be using to help me reinforce the system and also just to break down my task and help me see my task so I can get certain things done during the day. So thank you for tuning in, and I'm going to show you my different tools and plans. So
before we talk about my tools, I just wanted to say that the tools that you pick up should be tailored and personalized to the system that you are trying to build. But also, don't remember to have some fun in the meantime and pick up some cute stuff that will help you along with your journey. So, the first tool is my planner. So, hey guys. So, with this planner, I really wanted to get something that I would actually use, because you know how sometimes you go out to the store and you pick up something cute, but you never really use it. No, I wanted to use this planner, get all into it, so it can help me out with the different things that I need to do. So here I'm just flipping through. These are the tabs for the months. They're just really cute on the side, you know. And then just here, opening it up, and here you can see that this is a full calendar. So this is just a space that you can like plan out all your stuff, put everything. This is me flipping through the pages. I think in this part I was looking for August since the month is August. So this is my August full calendar. And then on the side, they always have like these different small activities to do on the left, so I just end up filling that out. And then just all the important dates that are on there. Yeah. And then they always have the different slots for each day, so it's your intentions, nourishment, and movement. And then on the bottom, you also have these different activities. And I really thought this journal really was personalized to me, so I really like that. And then also always in the beginning they have the priorities for the month and just and your like affirmations and everything. So I really thought that was nice. So the next thing is my journal, and this is really where I just jot all my thoughts and plans down. And that's her right there. For the part that you all been waiting for, let's make a system together. And I just want to put in that before I wrote this, I really did put thought into what I wanted to incorporate into my system, and before I started making the fine details and everything. So I did break it up into 3 sections, which is a morning routine, a day routine, and a night routine. And of course, this is just a rough draft of a system that I wanted to create and wanted to see if it works for me. So this is the beginning of the journey, and of course, I'm probably going to incorporate different things, use some of the technology I have, like the different calendars that I have, and making a different block schedule because every day looks different. Not every day is going to be the perfect and look the same. So of course, everything is adjustable and adjusted to the things that you need. So I wanted to wake up at 5:30 to 6 o'clock because I wanted to start waking up early so I can get everything that I need done. And then the second thing that I wanted to do was stretch and do some yoga to really wake my body up, get everything flowing for the day. The third thing I wanted to incorporate was reading, just some light reading, waking up my mind and all. And then number 4 is a workout, and also I wanted to hydrate in the meantime. And also just write little notes for things that you, important details as well. And I also, of course, breakfast, the most important meal of the day, as they say. And also, the next thing is my day routine. The day routine, so I'm a college student, so of course study sessions have to be within my routine. I get that studying in with those good grades, you know what I'm saying? And the next thing is my own personal research and doing my own personal things that I want, and also doing my schoolwork, and some editing when it's needed. And then my night routine involves dinner, and then some light stretching to get my body nice and relaxed for the night, and then some crafting, you know, some creative time. And that is really the system that I created. Oops, say hi to my new Nike flap. So of course, this is not perfect and I didn't put everything. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for the next video.